This right here, this is Botox. This is Botox that you make at home, honey.
Immediately, yes. I literally went and got that right away. Look at my skin. Looks so good. No, but look at my forehead. Oh my god. Ew. So here I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the flax seeds and then about like 2 cups of water, and then bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for like 10 minutes. Once it simmers, you're going to get this consistency right here. You've seen it before. Then you're going to take a cheesecloth, put it into a bowl, and when it cools down, pour it all into the bowl. Now this part is either going to be like really disgusting for you or really satisfying. For me, it was so satisfying. I literally love this part. Some of the seeds will fall out, but like honestly, it's no big deal. And once all of the liquid is in the bowl, they say you can refrigerate it for like 30 days. So for me personally, my skin is honestly the most sensitive ever. And especially in the wintertime, it gets even worse. So I was really hesitant to even try this. But I'm so happy that I did, honestly. It was so cooling. And honestly, my skin responded so well to this. So I think I'm going to try this for 5 days straight. And as you can see at the end, my forehead, it was not budging. Like, it was stiff.